If I seem uninterested or I'm not listening or I'm indifferent, truly I ain't got no business here. But since my friends are here, I just came to kick it. But really I would rather be at home all by myself, not in this room with people.
Alright, what's going on, guys? So today I have a new cleaning video, but it's a little bit different. It's more of an organization. I'm not gonna lie, I am really bad at organizing. As you saw, my daughter, she did a awesome thing for me. We wrote down pretty much what I need to do, so as I go I'm gonna mark them off. So it doesn't look like that much, but in reality it's a hot mess in here. So this morning I was already thinking about doing this video, and I have not cleaned this refrigerator in quite a long time. I would say probably about a month to 2 months. So it's just been kind of building and building and building. But this morning my daughter opened the refrigerator and she went to get some Sunny D, and there was a cup in there and then it spilled, and then everything else came crashing down, as you saw. See, I went ahead and cleaned everything up. I still have some stuff on the ground. I just kind of put this here because I wanted y'all to see. We see exactly how I clean, what I clean. So the mess is still like in the refrigerator. I just wanted to do it as a reality, step by step, to know. And then if I have time, I'm going to try to clean everything else. Today we do have practice at 6:30, so we do have to leave here about 6. So hopefully I can get everything done that I want to get done. But this is reality. I like to do stuff at night, but I also do stuff for y'all during the days because of the daylight, and it's a little bit easier. So I'm gonna go ahead and start. I'm gonna start moving everything on counters. A little tip, just in case, like if you ever want to do this, make sure your kitchen, like counters and everything, is clean before you start another thing inside, just so you have space to put this stuff on the counters. Also, fill up your sink with water, because you're gonna probably have dishes in here that you're going to have to put in there so they can soak, and I would probably do those when I come back tonight. But if I do have time, then I would probably do it beforehand. So I'm gonna go ahead and start. I'm gonna start on the door. I feel like that's going to be the easiest as of right now. I'm gonna take everything and I'm gonna put it on the counter.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
To go ahead and clean the door, and then I'm gonna start going by anything that needs to get thrown away by date. If anything's empty, throw it away. If they're like a little bit like this, I go ahead and I still keep it, just because I don't want to go buy another one just because it's little. It also saves money. But other stuff that, like if any of the cheese are old, hard, I throw it away. And then I'm going to, and I spray down first and clean it, just so it can dry. When I'm ready to start putting things back, it's already ready and it's already about to like dry.
There's just so much left to say. Wanna get get to know you in every kind of way, but you speak it in tongues. You take the breath from my lungs. It should be shaking in fear, but instead I just want you here. Screaming at you, but it's like screaming at a wall. My words get lost in translation. Can you feel my frustration? I'm just trying to break through, but you make it hard when you act how you do. 'Cause you speak it in tongues. You take the breath from my lungs. It should be shaking in fear, but instead I just want you here. Screaming at you, but it's like screaming at a wall. My words get lost in translation. Can you feel my frustration? But you speak it in tongues. You take the breath from my lungs. It should be shaking in fear, but instead I just want you here. Screaming at you, but it's like screaming at a wall. My words get lost in translation. Can you feel my frustration? Sometimes when you're here, I can feel no doubt, 'cause you keep me where the stars are bound. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter, 'cause I feel so free now.
Can we just hold up, maybe stay up, try to make things right? I don't know why I did what I did. Somehow I think that I lost my head. Don't know why. Don't know why. I have realized when I'm with you, I wanna do what it takes to make you see. Make you see that we'll be alright if you just let me show you that I can do better. And I apologize for everything. I know that I can be defensive. Say that it ain't on me, why can't you see it ain't easy? Ooh, but now feels like I can hear what you're saying. No point of blaming, it's so draining, wanna do this right. I don't know why I did what I did. Somehow I think that I lost my head. Don't know why. I don't know why. I have realized when I'm with you, I wanna do what it takes to make you see. Make you see that we'll be alright if you just let me show you that I can do better. And I apologize for everything. Hey, won't you stay a little bit longer? I'm sorry, didn't mean to, but I hurt you. I have realized when I'm with you, I wanna do what it takes to make you see. Make you see that we'll be alright if you just let me show you that I can do better. And I apologize for everything. I apologize for everything.
Looking for my mother's eyes as I'm staying close to the mirror. A lock of gold, a secret smile, little things I remember. Place a hand upon my heart as her, she was a believer. Sometimes I can feel her arms holding me as forever. Time changes everything, and everything will change in time. Love changes every heart, and any heart can change you. I see in you my mother's eyes, and I lay your head to my shoulder. A lock of gold, a secret smile, I will tell you when you get older. I place a hand upon your
Alright guys, so I am fully done. It is 1:26. I think I've been doing it for like an hour and a half. So this is how it looks now. I decided to put my drinks down here. I don't know if it is good to put them down here because we always put them up top for like the cool and stuff like that. So I'll see how it is. That's my daughter's milk. That's my milk. That's their juices. I don't drink coffee, so I don't even know why I have it anymore, but I put it back there just in case someone comes back here. And then I put like this little container down here for the tomato and the garlic. And this one's fully empty. I just put my bread right here. All my cheeses. This week is chicken quesadilla meal prepped. So I have all my cheeses here. Like I said in my last vlog, I'm already starting to get back on the grind. So that's why I have all these cheeses. And then this is gonna be my meal prep because this is why I switched. We always come and get our drinks, which is always up here, right? So my meal prep is always down here. So I wanted to switch it so I don't forget about my meal preps, and I'll never forget about my drinks unless it's like these or something, but the girls, they never forget about it. My eggs, I always need my eggs. Like I'm actually already running out. And then all of this, got it kind of organized. I might switch it up here and there. Because I just kind of like put all my sauces besides those two. The jellies, the drink for my coffee, the lemon because I always use that. The kind of like practice area, drink area, and then the like other sauces. I kind of use those a lot too. That's why I put them at the bottom so I don't forget any of these. Yeah, so it's a big shock, I know, but this is what it looks like when it's kept organized, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed my embarrassing cleaning out my refrigerator video. I'm gonna call it quits and make another video. I'm gonna call it quits and make another video for these because I am exhausted. And I also have to clean those. I have the dishwasher going. So I am marking off this one. So look for those. Make sure you subscribe so you know when I post those because these are a little bit crazy and very unorganized. So you definitely want to see me organize those and throw away. Well, actually, I don't throw away my my plastics or anything. I actually would give them away to the church or something. So thank you so much for watching. See you later. Peace.